Hello guys and welcome back to EasySync. At this video, I'm going to teach you and show you on how to use the non-Prime Amazon accounts and fulfill it inside the EasySync system. So let's dive in and start the process. Once we create our Amazon account non-Prime, as you can see here, we can go and set up it here by fulfillment, create account, and you can choose here Amazon.com. Please fill your email and password as you register on your Amazon account. Make sure you save it with all the details here. And then you have to go to preferences, choose the email forwarding, and do the guide. We explain here how to do it. You can read it. We have also a separate video on how to do the forwarding. Make sure you check is everything is working. Then you will see here your Amazon account is set up. We also provide the 2FA key here. You don't have to generate by your phone or install any extensions. So once you receive any order that above $25, you can use it by automatic orders or you can do it manually. So here we have a good example with this item. Let me just check it here. I click on the coupon. Let me add it to the cart. Add to the cart. And now I will go and I will start to process the checkout. So here we see by default with the non-Prime account, it's cost $5.99 or $10.86. It doesn't matter. Our goal is to choose the free. As I explained before, any item above $25, you can use it with the free shipping, even with the non-Prime account, which is very powerful and good for us. You can see here the shipping is reduced. It's become a free. And also we use the little coupon that Amazon gave us. So make sure you choose the free shipping method. Let's change the address here. So you can use to copy the address of your client by EasySync extension, or we can do it right now manually. Let's copy and paste here everything. And so we choose the address of our client. Again, we check that it's free and we can place the order. Once we place the order, everything is smooth, everything is okay. We go to the order sections. I will take the order number here. So I will back to eSync. Here near the actions, we have the small plus here, order number, fulfillment account, which we set up before. It's our channel. We save it. And here eSync tell us the empty tracking number URL. You have to record also the tracking URL, which is here, trackbag. So we copy the URL. We come here all the way down. Click on the little pencil here and the tracking URL over there. Save. We are ready to go. Also, you can use, as I said before, the auto ordering. All the process will be automatically by clicking here, make an order, and everything will go through automatically by the system. If you have more questions, please contact our customer service. Thank you all.